Today we're going to talk about TitanWax ParaBlend 62105. The TitanWax ParaBlend 62105 is an all-paraffin-based blend that, as you can see, exhibits great glass adhesion. We also can obtain great scent throw, both hot and cold. You will also notice that it's got a nice glossy appearance, which is very attractive in a clear glass jar. It holds lots of fragrance, like I said, and we recommend 10% or in some cases even less. With the properties of paraffin wax, we can actually put a little less fragrance in and still get the same results. It also has good single pour properties, so we'll save you time in your process, but we got to do these under the right conditions. Pour them at the right temperatures, and we'll talk about that in a few minutes. As far as using this wax, what we first want to start with is heating our wax to approximately 175 degrees Fahrenheit. And we also want to look down in our vessel to make sure that the wax is completely melted before we start using the product. So melt your wax, do a visual to make sure that it's all melted, and then we keep it up to 175 degrees for about 5 minutes. At this point, we can add our fragrance. So we'll take it off the heat, add our fragrance, stir in continually for about 2 minutes. Also let it rest slightly to get rid of any air bubbles. And then we can start using it in what we prefer to be a preheated candle vessel. That's not always required, but you might want to try that for a better aesthetic. As far as cooling the candle, cooling is very important in all of our candle products and our wax blends, so we want to keep this in a temperature-controlled environment. As far as a wick recommendation goes, we recommend that you talk to your wick supplier, let them know the kind of wax you're using. This is an all-paraffin-based wax, and also let them know the fragrance load that you intend to use. They can then steer you in the right direction on the series of wicks to use. Please feel free to use this link on our website as an additional resource. Thank you for choosing TitanWax, and thanks for watching.